Hey everyone, welcome to iCode. Today we're going to look at simplify path. It's today's Leetcode challenge. It's a medium level problem, and then let's see. It's been asked, in a lot of companies, Facebook, Amazon, Google, Microsoft recently, and then few more, Apple, Bloomberg, Uber, year ago or so. So Mm, this is you can do it with stack and maybe just traverse the string. So let's take a look at the problem first. Given a string path which is an absolute path starting with the slash to the file or directory in the Unix file system, convert it to the simplified canonical path. So I'll show you what they mean to do. So we have given couple of cases here. So if it is slash, we just keep it as slash, right? It doesn't matter. If we have two slash or any number of slash, we keep it as slash. There should not be, so this normal canonical does not end with the slash, so we don't need the last slash even if it is in here. Again, if they have one single dot, that means it's referring to the current directory, right? If it has double dots, then it means it's referring to the previous directory. So if the path only contains the directories on the path from the root directories to the target file or to the directory, no period or double period. Okay, no, it doesn't refer it here. Double period refers to the directory up level, right? So if we see double period, then we have to get rid of the current directory, maybe pop from the stack, and then we refer to the previous directory. So those are couple of the cases we have to take a look. And double slash, you can just put it as slash. So first thing, easiest thing we could do is first of all split this path, right? So path dot split would give us the let's see what path dot split gives us, right? Split it by this. Let's print it. So let's take a look at this one. So a slash, it's split by slash, and it gives us home, and then empty spaces we can leave it. Similarly to, so this is how this is how we would iterate over this array, which would be path dot split by slash. So that's how it will look, right? So and then we can just put couple of cases here. Let's take a look at this one. If we can definitely add a few ifs. So suppose I'm iterating over this. I have I here, I is at 0, this is empty, we can just skip it. All right, continue there. If it is it's not single dot, it's not double dot, so it just file name or something, directory name, so that's when we just add it as is. This is single, right? We don't do anything. It's a single period. Single period means it's a current directory, so we don't do anything. Continue. This is again not a double period, not a single period, it just b, so append it. This is double period, right? So that means we have to level up one directory. So in that case we pop from the stack. Here same, again we pop from the stack. This is c, so we append it. So it's pretty easy. This is how it goes completely, and in the end I return the string format of the stack. So yeah, that's it. Let's code it up. It's going to be couple of if else loop, and yeah, this is that's all. So let's try. So first of all, I'm going to have one stack answer, which would hold all the values in the answer, and then for I in path dot split by this, right? So now if I equals nothing, then we will just continue, we can pass, right? We don't need to do anything in this case. Continue. Now if right now in this case we can have a or b or whatever, but first we have to take care of the single ones, right? So single ones as well, or I equals this, we just continue, we don't need to do anything, right? So if I equals double period, that's when we have to do but before that we have to make sure that my answer still has something. So if answer at all, in that case we do is st dot pop, right? And again st dot pop, because you see when we are going to add I'll show you. So else, in the else condition, we're going to do answer dot append. First we have to append the slash, like slash for that particular, because see we for this home we are always going to have a one black backslash, so we need slash for that. So that's when we do dot append I, right? But in this case, so when I am popping for this, suppose I am at this point right now, right? And the answer is going to look like slash a and slash b, right? But if I'm going to pop this, at that time I need to pop b as well and a slash that belongs to that b as well. So that's why we have to do pop twice here. Okay. And then, and see now in this example right here, oh, okay, thank god we have it. So see in this example, we would have path dot split dot dot would look like this, right? And it will not have, and when I go to this point here, our answer is still going to be empty, right? I'm not going to have any slash, because here we just pop, right? So we check, once we get out of this, we check if not answers, that means in any cases where we did not see any uh, file or directory name and we directly saw these or any other case, in that case we at least have to return this one, right? That's like home directory. So if we don't have anything in answer, you just do answer dot append one slash, that we're gonna need anyways. And in the end, you return dot join answer. So this is a way you can convert array into string in Python. You should have some other way to do it in your specific language as well. So yeah, it works fine. Home for this part here covers this case right here, and let's submit it. Okay, this is its answer, not a string. It's not stack, it's named answer. Okay, it works. 66, 97, that's okay. So time complexity wise, it's going to be often because we are iterating over the whole path here, so that's going to be often. Memory wise, if you count the memory of the output, generally we do not count the output memory, which is answer. Then it's O of n, because we're going to we're going to keep appending everything in here. But if we do not count it, generally we don't, and that in that case we're only using I, right? And that's why it would be O of 1. And that's it. It's pretty easy and small code. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any question, concern, any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Thank you.